Meet is here from Ninjastic Parkour. So today I will teach you how to do a helicopter in just 60 seconds. Plus I will give you some tips at the end of this video. Having said that, let's move on to the steps. Step 1. I suggest you to learn a lazy wall before learning a helicopter. So in this step, you will have to kick your leg up like you do in a lazy wall, but with a jump. It looks something like this. Step 2. Lift your whole body on your hands and try going in a handstand position. But don't do a handstand on the obstacle. This is what I am talking about. So practice this a lot, as many struggle here because they don't practice this step. Step 3. Just twist your hips and place your hands on the obstacle when you are at the maximum height, and do like this. It's okay if you take less height and get the feel of it. Step 4. Now start lifting your hips higher and higher, and you will be able to do it very easily. Step 5. This step is common in almost every single stunt. That is to land on the balls of your feet, as it absorbs all the jerk. Tips time! Always look at the obstacle where you are doing the helicopter, as if you are doing it on an obstacle like rail, then you might place your hands where you shouldn't and you may fall. The more you split your legs, the better it will look. So split it as much as possible and don't bend your knees, as it will look very good if you do it with straight legs. Do upper body exercises, as it will help you a lot to lift your body when you are doing helicopter. Next Saturday I may not be able to upload a tutorial for you, as I am going out for holidays, but I will try my best to upload it. Don't hesitate to mail me on ninjasticparkour@gmail.com if you are still not able to do it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to support me by clicking here.